thank you because I know you have put all your effort in this race. I remember we went to China together, yourself, the Prime Minister. Then we spoke to these people, some of whom voted against today. And they promised us. But you know, nimekuja kugundua kwamba kama kuna ukora, pia kuna ukora mahali ya juu sana. Your Excellency, you have done your best. And I want to, indeed we met these people individually. You moved around with the Prime Minister. Good people. The only thing we can do is that let us pray as a country, be together. This one has shown the essence of us being together. And the effort, you know, since we became together as a team, we have realized that things can move. And indeed, they've been moving. We hope things will continue moving smoothly back home as they were. I was just pulling something with Nanok here. You know, when you go to the funerals, it's not every person who goes to the funeral to mourn. Some, they are looking, when are they going to serve us food? Some, did this person leave a suit in the wardrobe, can walk away with? Your Excellency, the President and the Prime Minister, don't look back. If you look back, something might be gaining on you. Let us be focused. Nothing is easy. Nothing is easy as it looks. Everything takes longer. And if things can go wrong, they will go at the worst possible moment, as they have done today. We are committed. I want to say, because I was asked to talk on behalf of my party leader, who was the candidate for AU, and being the deputy party leader, we are committed to make sure our country moves forward and make progress. And thank every one of you. Vile mmejitolea, wengine si mlikuja na pesa yenu hapa zote, sio kama ile mibara nyingine nasema kwamba pesa imetumika. Pesa imetumika, kwani pesa imetengenezwa ya kufanya nini? Ni ya kutumika, na tumetumia pesa zetu. We have not used government. Kama mimi, I'm sure we have not used government money, but we are determined to make sure the country again shines. Thank you. Let us restructure again, sit back, we make progress. Asanteni.